City train tour, Messina. Discover Messina tour. Was fantastic. Well worth €15 for tour. On train around 50 minutes. Around all attractions. The tour is guided in 6 languages: Italian, English, Spanish, French, German, and Russian. Visiting the panoramic point of the city and the most beautiful monuments in Messina. City train tour in Messina is one of a kind. Messina, the third biggest city in Sicily after Palermo and Catania, is the place where rail and car travelers first set foot on Sicilian soil. It is also a popular cruise port. The bell tower and astronomical clock. This 60-meter-high bell tower, reconstructed using old designs, contains one of the greatest of all astronomical clocks, a work by the Strasbourg firm of Ummerer placed there in 1933. Cathedral and the Piazza del Duomo. The cathedral forms one end of the wide Piazza del Duomo, Messina's historic center, and in front of it is the Orion Fountain. On the left long side of the cathedral stands the Baroque column of the Virgin Mary by Giuseppe Buccetti, erected in 1758. The church was built in the 1100s by the Normans, who ruled Sicily at the time, but it was seriously damaged by an earthquake that devastated much of Messina in 1908. Barely recovered from that, the cathedral was again severely damaged by World War II bombing. Tempio Votivo di Cristo Re. The Tempio Votivo di Cristo Re, or votive temple of Christ the King, was built in 1900 on higher ground, which is elevated from the street. The structure is crowned by an octagon-shaped dome, reminiscent of the Sicilian Baroque style of architecture. There is also a shrine, built as a memorial to Italian soldiers. It is a very popular place to visit among tourists visiting Messina. The temple is at the top of the hill, from which you can see an incredible view, the Stretto di Messina from north to south. Madonnina. Madonnina is the statue of the Virgin Mary, on top of the Milan Cathedral in Italy. It was erected in the year 1762, at a height of 108.5 meters 356 ft. Vittorio Emanuele II, Theater. The Teatro Vittorio Emanuele II is the main theater in the city of Messina. Inaugurated in 1852, the theater currently offers a varied program of plays, musicals, opera, and ballet. On its ceiling is a fresco by the painter, Renato Guttuso, depicting the myth of Colapes. Santissima Annunziata dei Catalani. The second most important church in Messina is the Santissima Annunziata dei Catalani. It is the only building to have survived the earthquake of 1908, but was not so fortunate. In the World War II bombing, the church was built in the second half of the 12th century, under Norman rule, and the east side dates from this time. After finishing the tour, you can take your time shopping. Like and follow. Thanks for watching.